እሺ ተማሪዎች አሁን ደግሞ ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት current density ነው። what current density mean is current density is the current flowing in a conductor per unit cross sectional area perpendicular to the flow of current. So current density is a vector quantity because the current has a direction perpendicular to the area. So it has a direction. Current density is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is given by ampere per meter square. Or current density is a vector quantity because it has a direction in the direction of the electric field which causes for the charge carriers to move. አሁን current density vector ነው ያለበት ምክንያት because direction of that current density is in the direction of the electric field. So it is a vector physical quantity. So let us look at the derivation of the current density from the previous or from the relation of the current with the number of charge carriers per unit volume, the area, and the drift velocity and the charge on each electron. We can derive the current density dividing both sides, the left and the right, by the area. We will have this current over area will be the number of electrons per unit volume multiplied by drift velocity times the charge on each charge carrier, in our case electron. So the term on the left side gives us the charge density. So it is a vector quantity. It has a direction in the direction of the electric field. And on the right we do have the number of electrons per unit volume multiplied by the drift velocity and the charge on each electron. Okay, let us have an example on this current density. Our example says we are asked to calculate the current density of the charge carriers in a metallic sample if the drift velocity is 120 meters per second and the number of charge carriers density is 8.5 times 10 to the power of 20 per meter cubed. እሺ አሁን ወደ ሶሉሽኑ እንሂድ። ሁሉ ጊዜ እንደምናረገው መጀመሪያ ጊቭ እናወጣለን፣ ሪከርድ እንጽፋለን፣ ከዛ ወደ መልሳችን እንመጣለን ማለት ነው። the givens are drift velocity of the charge carriers is given 120 meters per second and the charge density, that is the number of charge carriers per unit volume, is given to be 8.5 times 10 to the power of 20 per meter cubed. And the charge on electron is already given, that is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulomb per electrons. Okay, what we are asked is to calculate the charge density. So the charge density is given by the number of electrons per unit volume, that is charge density, by capital letter N symbolize ያደረግነው ማለት ነው። So multiplied by the drift velocity. Drift velocity is the average velocity that the charge carriers move, and E is the charge on each electron. Now let us replace the values. Finally we will get the charge density to have a value of 1.63 times 10 to the power of 4 ampere per meter square, which is the SI unit of charge density. አሁን ደግሞ let us continue to find the relation between current density and conductivity. አሁን ቀጥታ በካረንት ዴንሲቲ እና ኮንዳክቲቪቲ ያለው ሪሌሽን ይሄኛው ለምን ይጠቅመናል? ካረንት ዴንሲቲ ቬክተር መሆኑን አንድ ያሳየናል። ሁለተኛ ካረንት ዴንሲቲን ካልኩሌት ለማድረግ ሌላኛው መንገድ መሆኑ ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፈርስት let's us define what is conductivity. Conductivity, which is symbolized by the sigma, is the ability of a conductor to allow the flow of electric current. ምን ማለት ነው? የአንድ ማቴሪያል ኤሌክትሪክ ካረንት የማስተላለፍ ብቃቱ ምን ብለን እንጠራዋለን? ኮንዳክቲቪቲ። on the opposite ደግሞ ሬዚስቲቪቲ የሚል ኳንቲቲ አለን። this resistivity is symbolized by this rho and it is the ability of a material to oppose the flow of electric current። አሁን ምንድነው ሬዚስቲቪቲ ደግሞ የአንድ ማቴሪያል ኤሌክትሪክ እንዳያስተላልፍ የሚያደርግ ብቃት ደግሞ ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? ሬዚስቲቪቲ ማለት ነው። ሶ ኮንዳክቲቪቲ and resistivity they are the inverse of each other ማለት ነው። or the product of conductivity and resistivity will give us unity, that's one ማለት ነው። so one is the inverse of the other. okay, let us come to the derivation of conductivity. Let us come to the derivation of conductivity. The term on the left is current density J equals to capital letter N stands for the number of charge carriers per unit volume. VD stands for the drift velocity, that is the average velocity of the charge carriers multiplied by the magnitude of the charge on electrons. So first let us replace this capital N charge density by the number of electrons per unit volume multiplied by E multiplied by the drift velocity. Okay, let us rearrange this one. Let us bring this E, the charge of electron, with the number of electrons. So N multiplied by E over the volume multiplied the drift velocity. But what you know is the term on the numerator here, the number of electrons. Number of electrons ከቻርጅ ኦን ኤሌክትሮንስ ስናባዛው ግን ምንድነው የምናገኘው? the total charge on the object እናገኛለን። we replace it by capital letter Q. The denominator remains constant, the volume that the charge carriers occupy ማለት ነው, multiplied by the drift velocity. Let us say this equation 1. okay, and the current density now will be the total charge per unit volume multiplied by on this parenthesis change in x over t. ይሄኛው change in x ከየት ነው ያመጣ ነው? the product of the drift velocity እና ደግሞአለው the product of drift velocity ደግሞአለው እዚህ ጋር the charge density ደግሞአለው the current density here is the total charge per unit volume multiplied by change in x over time ይላል። ይሄኛው ተርም ከየት ነው ያመጣ ነው? the term on the parenthesis ከየት ነው የመጣው? this is another way to express the drift velocity, because drift velocity is equals to the distance traveled by the charge carriers divided by the time taken for this length ማለት ነው። okay, here also let us make some rearrangement. change in x ከላይ ያለው ኒውሜሬተር ዲኖሚኔተሩ ከቮሊዩም ጋር አደረኩት። then here there is current. This current comes from the ratio of the charge carriers Q per unit time, here from equation 2. Q over T gives us the current, symbolized by capital letter I. Now also let us make some rearrangement. Here on equation 4, on the denominator side, from equation 3, the volume can be given by the area that the charge carriers cross multiplied by the distance traveled by the charge carriers ይሆናል ማለት ነው ቮሊዩማችን። so equation 3 ላይ የነበረው volume on the denominator part we replace it by በምን ተካ ነው? the area ሲባዛ the distance traveled by the charge carriers. okay, outside that parenthesis there is current, so we multiply it by the current. okay, here on equation 4 the distance travel change in x is cancelled by the distance travel change in x on the denominator, so we remain with 1 over the area A multiplied by the current. okay, as you remember from Ohm's law ላይ እንደምናስታውሰው the current is given by the voltage divided by the resistance of that conducting material. So the current is replaced by V voltage over the resistance. okay, let us make some rearrangement here also. So equation 6 will be given by the voltage over area multiplied by the resistance. From the relation of resistance with the area, with the resistivity, and with the length, we'd have this equation. So the resistance of the wire multiplied by its cross-sectional area will give us the resistivity multiplied by the length. So the term on the denominator on equation 7, okay, comes from this relation. Okay, so the current density will be the voltage over the length multiplied by 1 over the resistivity. I already split this equation 7. Okay, so the term on the left of the right term, this V over L, will give us the electric field. Remember, the electric field is the ratio of the voltage and the length traveled. Okay, and 1 over resistivity gives us the conductivity. ምክንያቱም መጀመሪያ ላይ ምን ብለን ነበር? ኮንዳክቲቪቲ እና ሬዚስቲቪቲ አንዱ የአንዱ ግልባጭ ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። ሶ ፋይናሊ ዊ ዊል አራይቭ አት ዚስ formula, that is the current density will be the product of the conductivity and the electric field. So as I have told you, ቀደም ብለን እንደገለጽ ነው current density vector quantity ነው. It has a direction in the direction of the electric field. ቴንክ ዩ። እዚህ ጋር አሁን ለበለጠ ማብራሪያ እስቲ አንድ ሁለት ኤግዛምፕል ለመስራት እንሞክር። ኤግዛምፕል 1 ምን ይላል? ፋይንድ ዘ ኤሌክትሪክ ፊልድ። ኦኬ፣ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ኤግዛምፕል እንሰራለን። we are asked to calculate the electric field applied to a copper wire if the current density is 5.96 times 10 to the power of 6 ampere per meter square and the resistivity of this copper is 1.7 times 10 to the power of -6 ohm meter. Actually the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, then the SI of conductivity will be 1 over ohm meter ማለት ነው። Okay, let us come to the solution. ሁሉ ጊዜ እንደምናደርገው መጀመሪያ ጊቭን እናወጣለን፣ ከዛ ሪኳየርድ፣ ከዛ ወደ ሶሉሽን ነው የሚሄደው። ጊቭንስ the current density is 5.96 times 10 to the power of 6 ampere per meter square. The resistivity is this much, 1.7 times 10 to the power of -6 ohm meter. The required quantity is the electric field. Okay, now we are going to calculate the electric field from this relation. That is current densityያችን የማን ብዬ ነው? የኮንዳክቲቪቲ እና የኤሌክትሪክ ፊልድ ደግሞ አለው። ከረንት ደንሲቲ እኩል ይሆናል ኮንዳክቲቪቲ ሲባዛ በኤሌክትሪክ ፊልድ which causes this current density ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so the current density will be አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኮንዳክቲቪቲ is 1 over resistivity ወይ ደግሞ ኮንዳክቲቪቲ የማን ግልባጭ ነው ማለት ነው? የሬዚስቲቪቲ ስለሆነ ኮንዳክቲቪቲ በ1 over resistivity ተካሁት multiplied by the electric field. Okay, አሁን when you make some rearrangements, the electric field will be the current density multiplied by the resistivity. Actually here we are going to calculate the magnitude of the electric field, which is the product of the current density 5.96 times 10 to the power of 6 times the resistivity is 1.7 times 10 to the power of -6. Overall, the SI unit of electric field will be volt per meter. So the magnitude of the electric field will be 10 volt per meter. Okay, thank you. አመሰግናለሁ። ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሳብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። Thank you.